wonder if any of you have ever experienced a problem with initial startup of your vehicle and you have that belt squeal. It's really loud, really obnoxious, and really embarrassing. These serpentine belts can slip, and if they're just squealing at startup and then it goes away and your vehicle's running perfectly, it's probably because your alternator is putting a tremendous amount of load on the belt, causing it to slip until the vehicle starts up and the draw on the alternator has been reduced. I was dealing with this on a 2002 F-150 for quite some time. I got tired of it, and I finally just decided to take matters into my own hand. My problem is exacerbated by putting underdrive pulleys on, which are polished aluminum. They look great, but they're a little slick. So how did I resolve my problem? Well, the first thing I did is I removed my belt, and I actually used a degreaser, a significant degreaser, to lay the belt out, and I scrubbed it with a scrub brush aggressively with lots of Dawn, or you can use any kind of detergent that removes the grease on both sides. You've got to do both sides. It's not just the rib side. After I did that, you're going to think these next two items are a little bit of blasphemy, but I actually lightly sanded the belt on both sides just to rough up the surface. I didn't want to go in deep on that. I just wanted to rough it up. Make sure that it was added a little bit more porosity or roughness to it to allow it to grip, but I also used the sandpaper on the pulleys, and especially the alternator pulley, to rough up the surface where the belt is going to attach. Not a lot of sanding, but enough to rough up the surface. Another blasphemous thing that some of you may say is that I actually conditioned the belt with a belt dressing. I didn't do it on the vehicle. I still had the belt off. I let it thoroughly dry in the sun after I washed it. And then I put 2 coatings on both sides of the belt with this belt dressing. Let that dry for a while. And then I reinstalled the belt, made sure it was aligned properly, started the vehicle, and guess what? No problem. So it's gone. I've done about a half a dozen startups since then. I'm hoping this is going to hold for some time. If it doesn't, then I'll probably go through the process and try to sand that alternator pulley a little bit more. Try to rough it up to see if it can really grip the belt. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the like notification. And also, I'd love to hear some comments from you. So add some comments below. Thanks for watching.